Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LGCY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, so that's where these green line annotations are coming from. Want to get things updated here after today's price movement. First update is just based on a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So in the event there is any sort of attempted bounce to the upside, that 13-cent mark is going to be that initial level that needs to be broken. And you can see that's already played out from Monday's action where the price got down below it, and then you can see several times try to get up above it, and yeah, it got up above it a couple brief instances, but can never stay above it. And that was kind of the first sign of it acting as resistance, and then today got that much further to the downside from that area. Point here being that if the price does start to bounce, 13 is going to be that key level of resistance that'll need to be cleared if there's any sort of chance at all that some sort of bigger bounce could happen. And then as far as levels of support are concerned, it all goes back to the 10-cent mark, which you can see here from recent, well, not necessarily, I guess it depends how you define recent, but from within the past few weeks, you can see the price was down around the 10-cent mark. And, once again, the price is, down around that region. As far as the movement here was concerned, though, I mean, you got to give credit where credit's due. From where it was at these lows to, that movement all the way up there, I mean, that's a good sized box forming in the upwards direction. Or maybe you can see it, just simply better like this from where it was to where it went all the way up there. That was a good move. But as far as, did that move have any sort of genuine strength? No, that is what we would call a dead cat bounce. What gives me the right to call it a dead cat bounce? Well, the price is literally right back inside of that range where it was when it broke out from it. And, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power are not going to go back to where they were, right? They're going to make at least some sort of form of progress forward, but there just wasn't any progress made. The price is sitting right back within that channel. But that is also where the interesting area comes about, because, yeah, the last time the price was down around the 10-cent mark, got a nice bounce. Does that mean it's guaranteed to bounce off 10 cents again? No, no such thing as a guarantee. However, it also wouldn't be very shocking. So from the trading perspective going forward, it remains an interesting setup. So we'll see how this one continues to play out on the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.